Hi guys, and welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. Gary and Reancy here, and in today's video we're going to cover insects.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to put a like and consider subscribing.
With that being said, let's jump in the video and learn some insects right now. Our first one is ant.
Hormigas, or some people say amigas.
Ant, hormigas, or you can use amigas. Bee.
Buyug. Buyug.
The word for bee is buyug. Butterfly.
Alibangbang. Alibangbang.
Butterfly, alibangbang. Cockroach.
Ok-ok. Ok-ok.
Cockroach, ok-ok. Dragonfly.
Alindahaw, or some people say alindanaw. Alindahaw or alindanaw.
Dragonfly, you can use two words, alindahaw or alindanao. Fly.
Langaw. Langaw. Or for massive flies, we call them bangaw. Langaw. Langaw.
Fly, langaw. If they're quite a big fly, guys, use bangaw. The word for louse,
Kuto. Kuto.
louse, kuto. Mosquito.
Lamok. Lamok.
Mosquito, lamok. Our next word is spider.
Damang. Damang.
Spider, damang. Termite.
Anay. Anay.
Word for termite in Bisaya, anay. A black beetle.
Bakukang. Bakukang.
Black beetle, bakukang. Firefly.
Aniniput. Aniniput.
Firefly, aniniput. Now our last insect, a cricket.
Gangis. Gangis.
Cricket, gangis.
So that's a short video covering the insects in Bisaya. I know some regions name the insects differently.
If there's any insects you'd like to know that we haven't covered, guys, why not put them in the comment section below and we'll answer them when we can. If this video gives you any value today, why not put a like on it? And if you're new around here and you like more videos from us, why not consider subscribing as well? With that being said, have a great day.
See you in another video.